Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Adobe Lightroom. So first you need to just open up Lightroom. I already have it open. Just see all these tools, don't get freaked out. Just go click add photos. This is your first time you're going to add photos, you're going to click right here and click browse. Choose the picture you want to edit and be sure it's going to be either a JPEG or a PNG. And then you just select that, it's already selected, just add one photo. You can also do this with files and folders as well. So let's get started. So just to remove this, you click up here, go to that panel, and then you click right here. This side, this panel right here, has all of your tools. It is just like Photoshop Express, except it has more tools for you to use with specific tools. You can also do a point curve to specifically adjust it to the way you want it with the balance, and it'll give you these metrics. So when you do R, G, and B, you always want to keep those on, so don't mess with those too much. If you want your photo to be a little bit of a perfection, then just mess around with it, see what you know, and kind of teach yourself what each things work on. We can get in depth of Lightroom pretty soon, but for now this is just a general idea. You can add visual effects to it. You can do the grid, the distortion, in or out. It's basically an advanced photo editor for you to just do whatever you want. Now you could do this for free of photo editing, but it could leave a watermark and you don't want that. So Lightroom is the best option because it has all the tools you need, and this also has spot healing. So you can heal the brush, just mess around with it. If anything's messed up, then the same thing. Photoshop has it too. You don't want to do it too much because it would take up a lot of memory on your computer and it would be really slow. So you can do specific things with it. You can crop and rotate, auto, straightness, auto. You flip it up and down, back and forth. Now I think there are other things you can use. I haven't used yet. You can use a brush, just add some effects to it, do whatever you want. Lightroom is the best tool out there for photo editing. Mess around with it, see how you like it. There's a trial version for 7 days free trial. Hopefully that'll work out with you, and if it does, hopefully it'll be a good editor for you. But other than that, I just wanted to give you a general idea of what Photoshop Lightroom looks like, and it's mainly focused on photo editing, while Photoshop is mainly focused on graphic designing. So you just create and design graphics, and you can also do photo editing as well, but Lightroom is more focused on photo editing than ever. You can add visual effects to it and everything. Now, for other apps I will teach you about, for example, Photoshop Express and Premiere Rush. Lightroom Classic down here is basically the same exact thing as Lightroom. The only difference is Lightroom Classic is not cloud-based, so it won't be on any device anywhere. But Lightroom is cloud-based, so it saves your Creative Cloud and you can access it on any device, anywhere. So, hopefully it's a good choice for you. Hopefully this works out well. And other than that, I'll see you later.